Hey everybody, welcome to Keto Alicious. I am so excited that you're here with me today. I have had such a wonderful time with my sister, and I just wanted to come on here and just tell you that I think I learned a few things about myself this past week, and I got to spend a lot of good quality time with her and laughing and smiling and just to where your stomach just hurts from laughing so much. It was so much fun. And teaching her how to bake blueberry muffins, teaching her a little bit about keto. That was amazing. I think her and her family tried some things that got a good idea on what keto is, and also making some food for them too. It was really fun, but just spending some good quality time, getting a lot of sun and hot tubbing and just relaxing sore muscles. But I have to say, more than anything, the reason I came on today is I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you. I know you didn't have to come over to my channel and subscribe, but I'm so appreciative that you did. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everybody and thank you. And also let you know I'm back home, so I'm really gonna do some different things. I'm gonna, I do a lot of outdoor things besides cooking, of course. So I know that this is called Keto Alicious, but it's an everyday lifestyle too. So, and watching the pros and cons and things that you do in everyday life. So I'm gonna start bringing that to you guys as well. I hope you enjoy them, and just in the comments below, tell us what you think. Did you like the sisters getting together and cooking and spending some time together? We'd like to hear. We'd like to hear the comments. Maybe, who knows? Maybe we'll decide to, do it more often. Who knows? So leave a comment below and let us know. And thank you again for subscribing to Keto Alicious. And I appreciate it. And I so appreciate my sister. She's sweet. And her and I are so very different, but we love and have such a great time when we're together. So be watching for more of my videos coming very soon. I'm just kind of getting myself planted, getting myself all ready to go again. So I'm excited. I took a couple days off to just, and now I'm ready. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was just more of a gratitude video for you guys for supporting me, and I so appreciate it. So until next time, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.